Hello friends, good morning. My name is Neeraj Kumar. I am a student. Friends, today I am going to tell a story with you. First, once there lived a lion in a forest. He had grown very old and weak. He could not no longer hunt anymore. So, he was looking for someone who do it him. One day he saw a jackal. One day he saw a jackal and called him and said, "As you know, I have grown old and could no hunt anymore. I need a prime minister. I need a prime minister who bring to food for me. If you can't hunt for you, I will can't for you. But you must promise to me. But you must promised. But you must promise to give me a share of kill." The lion readily agreed. The jackal went to the bring prey. It sighted a donkey grazing in field. It sighted a donkey grazing in field. He went up to the donkey and said, "Here you are. I have looking for you a long time. The king of jungle wants to appoint a prime minister, and he had chosen you for the job. So come with me immediately." So saying, Jackal led the donkey to the lion. As soon as the lion saw donkey come near, he jumped on donkey, but fearful donkey, who was already guards himself, jumping other side and ran away. The jackal started cursing for lion's hasty. He went back to bring the donkey. "You fool, why didn't run away? The kings had only embraced to you. You should not run away. This time don't run away. I thought the lion was keeping on me to kill. So I ran away. Let's go to the lion." But this time the lion was no hasty. He comes had only when the donkey near come. He immediately attacked on donkey, and the donkey died instantly. He gave a share of jackal and kept rest himself. Jackal said, "Have you taken very large portion to you, but you gave me a small portion? You should do not right. Now I am going to take a bath. You stand guards good care of the donkey." The lions cheated me. I should get my proper share. So the jackal tore head of donkey and took head branch. The jackal tore head of donkey and took donkey's brain. When the lions returned come back, He was very surprised find missing brains. Who have you taken? Donkey's brain? No, Maharaj. No, Majesty. I have not taken Donkey's brain because he have no brains. If he had it, he has been very clever. So the lion was very surprised, heard to Jackal's answer. Thank you, my dear friends. Support me, my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.